Inshallah, in this class, we are going to continue with the very short question answers of trigonometry. Very short question answers of trigonometry. Now, see, there is a question on the board. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sine 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sine 90 degrees equals to cot 36 degrees. Before going to the question, let me revise this. There is a formula. Tan 45 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, and tan 45 minus theta is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan. Must by heart these formulas. These are also useful in derivatives also. They also you have to use these formulas. Okay. Now watch here. Let me change this into tan first. We'll get the formula. So let me divide numerator and denominator by divide numerator and denominator by cos 9 degrees. So this will be get cancelled. Sine by cos will become tan. So divide each term by cos 9 degrees, cos 9 by cos 9 degrees plus sine 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sine 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. So you see here this cos will get cancelled 1 plus. So sine by cos will be tan 9 degrees divided by cos will get cancelled 1 minus sine by cos is tan 9 degrees. Now you just to know we have seen formula 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is tan 45 plus theta. So this will become tan 45 plus 9 is 54 degrees. But we have to bring the answer in cot. So tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Suppose this is theta, tan theta. We can write this as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 54 is 36 degrees. This is the answer we have to get. The next question, see here. All these three questions are the same type. Let me do one question of this. You see here, find the value of tan 100 plus tan 125 plus tan 100 into 125. In the same way, you see here 10, 35, 10 into 35, 56 minus 11, 56 into 11. See, there is a relation. We have to write like this. What in the first question we can start like this: 100 plus 125 equals to 225. In the second question, we have to start like this: 10 plus 35 equals to 45. In the third question, we have to start like this: 56 minus 11 equals to 45. So this is the method of this type of questions. The first question, 100 plus 125 equals to 225. 10 plus 35, 45. 56 minus 11, 45. So let me start one question. I'm doing the first question. You try the next questions. I know how to start. Consider. Let me start like this. Consider 100 plus 125 equals to 225. Now apply tan on both sides. So this will become tan of 100 degrees plus 125 degrees equals to tan of 225 degrees. Now consider this as A, this as B. Now let me expand this one, tan A plus B. We know what is the formula of tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So let me expand this. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now this also let me do in the rough. Tan 225 degrees. This can be written as tan 180 plus 45 degrees. Why we wrote like this? Because now this is formula tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta is tan theta, tan 45. And tan 45 is 1. Again, watch carefully. 225 can be written as 180 plus 45. Tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta is tan theta, tan 45. And tan 45 is 1. So we write this as 1. Now cross multiply this one. Tan of 100 plus tan of 125 degrees equals to 1 into 1 1 minus tan 100 into tan of 125 degrees. Now bring this minus term here, it will become plus. So tan 100 plus tan 125 minus term on this side plus term tan 100 into tan of 125. So this is the question, tan 100 into tan 125. So what we get the value, 1 is leaving, so this its value is 1. Now see on the board there are 3 questions of the same type. Okay, you practice these 2 questions and bring 1 question. Now see here, let me change this equals to cos of 340, we can write 360 minus 20. In the same way here you come, you write this as it is, I'm writing this as it is 40. Now I'm changing this one plus sine of 200 can be written as 180 plus 20. Now this also we can change, sine of 180 minus 40. So once more, you see sine 200 can be written as 180 plus 20. Sine 140 can be written as 180 minus 40. Once more, 200 180 plus 20, 140 180 minus 40. Now we can use the formula. This is cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. So this will become cos 20. Now you write as it is cos 40. Now sine 180 plus theta, third quarter in third sine is minus. So sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. So minus will come here, minus sine 20. Now one more thing is cos 180, sorry, sine 180 minus theta second quadrant, sine theta, sine 40. Now this will become the formula. We can use like this, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay, so this is the formula of cos A plus B, cos A plus B. So this will become cos of 20 plus 40. Cos of 20 plus 40 is 60. And the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. See here the next question. Sine 11140 sine cos 390 minus cos 780 into sine 750. We have to prove this 1 by 2. See, whenever we get such big angles, we have to change into the multiples of 360. Suppose either we have to change into 720, because 720 can be written as 2 into 360, or 1080 we can change in this number because this is 3 into 360. In the same way, 1440, this can be written as 4 into 360. So watch here, I'm writing like this, sine of, so 1140 means near this, no? So we can write like this, 1080, I think plus 60, no? 1080 plus 60 will be 1140. 1080 plus 60 will be this one. Now this is 360 plus 30, 360 plus 30 minus this is cos, this is near 720, so we have to write 720 plus 60 into sine 720 plus 30, 720 plus 30. So this is like this, we can write like this, no, 3 into 360. This can be written as, this is nothing but sine n into 360 plus theta is sine theta, sine 60, cos 360 plus theta, cos theta, cos 630. Watch carefully. Sine any multiple of 360 plus theta will be like same like sine 360 plus theta. Sine any multiple of 360 plus theta is sine theta. Cos 360 plus theta, cos theta. This is also sine cos 2 into 360 plus 60. So that is like cos 360 plus theta. This is cos theta, cos 60. And sine 360 plus theta, sine theta. This will be sine 30. Now let me substitute the values. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. And as cos 60 is 1 by 2, sine 60 is 1 by 2. So if you root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. If you take LCM, 4 minus 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Now see, there are 2 questions on the board. Sine square 82.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees. Sine square 52.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees. So let me do the first question. Okay, you try the second question. Now just before going to the question, you revise this formula. Sine A plus B into sine A minus B is sine square A minus sine square B. One more formula is there. We can also write this as cos square B minus cos square A. In the same way, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, we can write cos square A minus sine square B or cos square B minus sine square. First, you by heart the formulas, okay? Now, let's use the formula. Suppose this has A, this has B. So, this will become sine square A minus sine square B. So, we can write like this formula sine A plus B. This is A plus this is B into sine of A minus B. This is A, this is B. So sine square A minus sine square B is sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Now watch carefully. Sine of 82 plus 22. 82 plus 22. Okay, 22. So this will be 4, 10. Half plus half will be 1. Half plus half will be 1. So 104 plus 1, this will be 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Now here, sine 82 minus 22 is 60. Half minus half will be 0. This will become 60 degrees. Now let me substitute the values. Sine 108, sorry, 105 can be written as sine of 90 plus 15. Sine 90 plus theta is cos theta cos 15. You must by heart the value of cos 15. Cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So cos 15 is root 3 plus 1. That is sine 105 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Well, let me multiply root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3. Divide by, we write like this, 2 to the 4. 4. Now see the next question. Sine square 42 minus cos square 78 equals to, you have to prove root 5 plus 1 by 8. Or there is one more question, cos square 52 and half minus sine square 22 and half. I am doing this question, watch carefully. Sine and cos means we are actually having formula like this, cos square A minus sine square B. Or either we can change like this also, cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. Then we can change other formula also, but see here I am changing like this. Let's first take minus common. That if you take minus common, this will become plus cos square 78 degrees, and this will become minus sine square 42 degrees. Now this will become formula now. After taking minus, now this will become plus and this will become minus. So consider this as A, this as B. Cos square A minus sine square B. Cos square A minus sine square B is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Now let me solve this one, equals to minus of cos. If you add this, you will get 120 cos. Subtract this one, 78 minus 42, this will be 6, 336 degrees. Now this one, minus of cos 120 can be written as 90 plus 30. Now the cos 36 must by heart the value of cos 36. Cos 36 value is root 5 plus 1 by 4 equals to minus. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta. Again minus means minus minus plus sine 30 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this will become root 5 plus 1 by 4 to 8. Now see the next question. Tan 70 minus tan 20 equals to, we have to prove 2 tan 50. We have to start like this. Watch carefully. 70 minus 20. What will be the value of 70 minus 20? 50. So by seeing these angles, we have to start like this. 70 minus 20 is 50. Now apply both sides tan. So tan 70 minus 20 equals to tan 50. Suppose this has A and B. So this will become tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. equals to tan 50. See here, tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Let me cross multiply this one. So tan 70 minus tan 20 equals to tan 50 into 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20. Now let me change one of this. Suppose tan 70 can be written as tan theta. Let me change into cot. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 70 is 20. Once more is here. Tan theta I want changing in cot. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 70 is 20. So we can keep here 20, cot 20. Tan 70 minus tan 20 equals to tan 50 into 1 plus. This can be written as cot 20 into tan 20. Now cot theta into tan theta is 1. Cot theta into tan theta is 1. So tan 70 minus tan 20 equals to tan 50 into 1 plus. Cot theta into tan theta is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can write like this, tan 70 minus tan 20. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2 in the beginning, 2, 9, tan 50. So this is the proof. Next question, see, expand sine of a plus b minus c. Now watch carefully. Let me consider this as a and this as b. Suppose this complete as a, this as b. Now what is sine a minus b? Sine, this is, consider this as a, this as b. So sine a minus b is sine a. A means this one, sine a cos b minus cos a means a plus b, sine b sine c. Watch carefully. This you consider as a, this as b. So sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Now again we get the formula. We got the formula, the sine a plus b. Again you expand this sine a plus b. Sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, bracket into cos c. Cos c minus, again you expand this cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b into sine c, into sine c. Now let me multiply cos c into sine a cos b. Let me write alphabetical order, sine a cos b into cos c. This into this, again this into this, cos a sine b into cos c plus cos A sin B cos C. Now minus into plus, minus cos A cos B sin C, cos A cos B sin C. Now lastly minus into minus plus, sin A sin B into sin C, sin A sin B sin C. Next question, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta. Express this as a sine angle, as a sine angle. So what, let me change this one. What is the method? Watch carefully. We have to multiply and divide by under root of squares of the coefficients of these two terms. Squares of the coefficients. Sin theta coefficient is root 3 whole square plus cos theta coefficient is 1 square. Root square cancel, 3 plus 1 is 2. So we have to multiply with this and divide, multiply and divide by root. Watch carefully. To express any term, two terms, in terms of sine and or cos, we have to use this procedure. Multiply and divide by under root of coefficient of sine theta square plus coefficient of cos theta square. Coefficient of sine theta square plus coefficient of cos theta. So you multiply outside, this is 2 multiplied by 2. On dividing by 2, you divide separately, this will become root 3 by 2 sine theta plus, here you suppose 1 by 2 cos theta. Okay. So next step, watch carefully. We have to express in terms of sine now. So what is the formula of sine A plus B? Sine A plus B is sine A, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So we have to change like this. Watch carefully. Equals to 2 into, I'm writing sine theta. To express in terms of sine, we have to change into sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is sine A cos B. So we have to change this in cos. We have to change this in cos. So what value of cos is root 3 by 2? cos 30 sin A cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos A cos theta. Now with cos we have to change in sin. So this is sin 30. Now it becomes the formula 2 into sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B theta plus 30 degrees. So we change this, express this as a sine of the angle. So this is the sine of the angle. Let me try one more question. Express this as a cosine of the angle. Now same way, how to start? Multiply and divide by under root of the squares of the coefficients. Here is 1. So 1 square plus minus 1 square. Under root of 1 plus 1 is 2. So multiply 2 outside and divide each term separately. 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. So what is the question expressed in terms of cos? So cos, here you are having minus, so see what is the formula of, sorry, cos A plus B. This is actually, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So root 2 as it is, you write cos theta as it is. Now again change this in cos only because we are having both cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos theta, and this also in cos 45 minus sin theta sin, again this should be also in sin 45. Now this will become the formula root 2 into cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. So theta plus 45 degrees. Theta plus 45 degrees. So these are the few questions we have done based on the formulas of compound angles. So let me continue in the next class. So if you are understanding the concepts and you are understanding the questions, I request all the students to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Inshallah, we are going to continue in the next class.